Welcome to a weekly warm-up. So tell me if this sounds a little too familiar. After you got derailed from your healthy lifestyle, you started to see the number on the scale start to creep back up. And before you knew it, you would gain 5, 10, 15 pounds. And you were asking yourself, how did I let this happen? You were probably also shaking your head and wondering, why didn't I stop the weight gain sooner? That's exactly what happened to me after my accident. Before I knew it, I had gained over 100 pounds. However, that will never happen again, my friends. And the reason for this is because I not only help my clients create and execute the Build Your Best You 5-step building block process, but I use the system as well. And now, when I see the number on the scale start to go back up, I immediately course correct. Well, guess what? That's exactly what I'm doing right now. Why? Because I got a little too dirty with celebrating Father's Day and then moving right into the 4th of July celebration. Well, last month, 3 pounds showed up on the scale. And last week's weigh-in, that 3 turned into 5. So I am stopping that weight gain right now by implementing building block number 4 and making the necessary adjustments that will get me back on track. Now, in case you too got a little too dirty over the holiday weekend, then I want you to check out the post so that you can see how you can get back on track. Well, that is your weekly warm-up. I am Coach Becky, and this is Build Your Best You, your 5-step building block process to rebuild your inner athlete. Have a terrific week, everyone. Please remember to just take it one day, one meal, and one workout at a time. And don't forget, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. I will see you in the next video. Take care.